Hi, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you clicked on this video, you must want to know what is inside a guide to field identification wildflowers of North America. I do the comprehensive book review so that you can try to find this book and to see what's inside. All right, let's take a measurement. It is like a 5 by 7 3/4. This is a hardcover book. They do come in different paperbacks too, but here is the spine, and then here is the back of the book, and it looks like this was a library book. Yeah, it has the Dewey Decimal System on it. And let's check the year. This is a Golden Press by Frank D. Venning. Yep. So this is copyright 1984. So if you're looking for this specific book, you might want to make sure that you get the copyright date, because a different copyright date might be different inside. So in the beginning, it tells you how the book is laid out and the pictures, a little bit of the glossary, and then it starts your pictures. And also I wanted to tell you, oh, this is where I got it. So let me see here if these are sewn in. Yes, these are sewn in signatures, so that's very important to know from us junk journalers. And what I like about this book is one side is words, one side is the picture. So I absolutely love that. This is another one of my favorite books. So let's flip through so you can see exactly what you're looking at here. I go fast because there is over 300 pages, but I do want you to see every single page that is in here so that you can see the content. And of course, as you can see here, JJ Book Review, you can find me on Instagram. I am just starting to put these videos up on Instagram because they are short videos. I can do that. And it's something really quick you can look at. Aren't these just absolutely beautiful? And they're just normal paper thickness also. This is not thick paper by any means, but they are absolutely just beautiful pages. I know one time I saw somebody like do a book haul, and you know, they thumbed through like the good part of the book, you know, and so I thought the whole book was like that. And then I got the book and ordered it online, and I got it, and it was only like maybe 40 pages or so of that book was the flowers or the birds, I don't remember now, but I was so disappointed because then all the rest of the book was this, like, you know, the words and how to grow and stuff like that. So I was just totally disappointed. So that's why I am doing every single page so that you can see what you're going to get when you look for this book. Oh, I love these purple and white flowers. They're so pretty. It's one of my favorite books, and I've been wanting to do some projects, but I wanted to be able to videotape it first before I started taking her apart. There's nice orange colors for fall journals in here. Getting there. Look at those. You could fussy cut these, but I don't think you would want to because they overlap one another. I think it would be too hard, because if you notice, you know, they kind of run into each other, you know, in some of these pages like this one here, you know, it just, they kind of run into each other, but you absolutely could, of course. We're almost to the end. And then there's just a little bit of the index in the back, a few pages. So as you can see, the whole entire book is of the flowers, and maybe 20 pages is only like index and non-pictured items. So this is definitely a book I highly recommend. And hopefully I help you. Thank you so much for watching and checking this out, and good luck on finding it. Thank you. Bye-bye.